How to report a problem on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report a problem on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome and here you're gonna find those 3 points, and all you need to do now is click on help and feedback. Now, if you have a download files problem, just click on download files and also browse in private. This is a popular help resource, and search the web on Chrome. You can click on search help and describe your issues, and you can also click on send feedback and tell them your issues. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.